What's up guys, my name is Joe, and in today's video I want to show you how you can get a really cool festive Memoji on your iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max and 10R. All the features that the Face ID camera brings you. So you know that this year the new thing was Memoji in iOS 12. So if I open it up, I go to my Animoji page and I check over here. That is my Memoji right there. Now my camera is just right in front of me over here, so it's not very accurate. But as you can see, that is just me, and I'm trying to talk, and you can see me talking. Now I want to give this a little festive vibe. Like you can see the Christmas tree over there. It's Christmas. How about sharing some Christmas vibes? Now all you have to do is either go into create a new Memoji, or you can edit the current one. I go in here, I go edit. And now the thing is, you can see all these kind of things over here. First, I want to go to facial hair. And on facial hair, I want to see a nice little beard, like that beard. Awesome, that'll be my Santa beard. Let me just take my glasses off somewhere. If there's, yeah, headwear. No, not headwear, eyewear. And just go without that. Fantastic. Now, I can say on my facial hair over here that my facial hair color should be gray or white. Fantastic. Now that I have a nice little Santa beard, I can go over to my headwear and I go down to this one over here. Now if you don't get the red hat immediately, then you can just go up and then select the color of the hat that you want. See? You can have it brown, that's where you choose red. I go very red, and that's your Santa makeup. Now if you want to go all in, then I would go to hairstyle, choose that as gray, and there you go. There is your little Santa for Christmas. And once you've done that, you press on done, and then you bring this down, and then maybe you just want to send a sticker. So you just put that out there and you have a nice little Santa sticker for you. I think this is an awesome little thing. If you really want to be in the festive Memoji vibe, then go ahead and do this. I think it's awesome, and thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video if you think it's worth it, and until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.